In this lesson, we are going to remove the videos in this section here, and I might keep the ad. And we are going to create a couple of posts. So to take the videos off from here, you see, when you put your mouse in this section, you notice you see this this little edit icon here. So you can just click on it, and that's going to bring you to this particular module so you can disable it so it doesn't show up on this help page. And the reason why I am doing that is we're going to put something else here. Normally when you go to a forum, you don't want to have so much stuff going on. You don't want people to be distracted by, different things. You want them to be able to focus on the forum. So that's why I am going to remove the videos from this page. I may or may not keep the ad. Let's see. All right, so once we're here, we go to menu assignment. Right now it's saying that on all pages. So go to only on the pages selected. And we want to remove it from the help. So in the search bar here, just type in help. And it's going to pull up the help, and you uncheck that box. Save and close. And once we refresh this page, we shouldn't have that there anymore. Now we have just this ad here. Okay, so what we're going to do is let's install some front end modules. This is going to allow for people to be able to post and be able to see different things as well. So let's go to the extension manager, upload package file. All right, so here we have the different modules that we're going to install. So we have the welcome, we have here the leaderboard, we have the most likes. So we're not going to install every single one of these, maybe just a few of them. Definitely want to be able to install here the welcome. So upload and install. Next, let's see what else do we want to post topic. All right, so it has been installed. And let's see what else do we want to put here. Let's put the tag cloud. Let's grab your discussion. And let's see what else do we want to grab here. Top members. And then we can grab to the leaderboard and categories. So once those have been successful installed, you go to extensions, module manager. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a few of those on this section here. All right, so you want to click on type, select type. And let's go ahead and start off with post topic. This is going to allow people to be able to post a topic. And let's put in that position, sidebar, right. You want to make sure that it's published. And you want to make sure that this is not for public access. This is for registered users only. So only the registered users are going to be able to see this particular module. The general public will see this. So it says module assignment. It says no pages. You want to select only on the selected pages. Now, when you do that, everything else has been selected, and you don't want that. So what you want to do is you just want to click none, and you want to type in help, and then you want to select the help. All right, let's click save, and we're going to review it here on the front end and see what that looks like. So let's click on the help, refresh this help page. Okay, so this is what happens here. When you click post topic, you get a drop down here. People can be able to easily post a topic based on a category or ask a question. So they can just, for example, choose category 1 and then they can type a question: how do I upload a new video? And they can click submit. And here you have it. It shows up, and it's showing you who posted that. And it gives a little bit more details here. So when you go to the front end of the site, you're going to see this question: how do I upload a new video? Which is right there. Okay, so there you have it. This now is shown just right below this picture. And you can also move this if you want this to be above the picture instead of at the bottom. You can come here where it says ordering, the order, and you can, all right, you can, let's save and close first. Let's save and close this. What we're going to do is we're going to pull up all the modules that are on the right side, and we're going to move this one up. But before we do that, let's just add on maybe 1 or 2 more modules that we just install. Okay, the leaderboard. This is going to show all the existing leaders. The count here, do you want it to be, you can set the number. And do you want the ranking to be by user points, total accepted awards, or total posts? So let me just put total post here and then make sure it's published, and then choose the position, sidebar right. And then you want to choose the page. And I'm intentionally making sure that I'm putting these items just on the forums page or the help page. I don't want this to be all over, because when people come to the forum, they're coming to the forum because they want to be able to get help. And then let's add the module suffix here for light. All right, let's save. Oh, one thing that I forgot to do is you can make this public, or you can leave it private. You can make it private. So it's on public right now. Let's refresh this and see what that looks like. All right, so here you have the leaderboard. It's going to show the leaders, and it shows, of course, their current number of points, their position. And let's see what else we want to add here. Let's add a tag cloud, and then we're going to add the welcome. And the process for this is, it's all the same. Now I can put the same module position, the module suffix is light, which add this gray background, or I can just leave it. I'm just going to leave it as it is. All right, let's save and take a look and see what that looks like. All right, so there you have the tags here. So every time you click on a tag, it takes you to those, all the posts regarding this specific tag. All right, so let's add one more or a couple more, which is going to be the welcome, and is going to be the categories. All right, so I just added the forum menu on the right side, and this is what it looks like. So the forum menu gives you a little bit more, stuff here. Okay, so I think that's good now. I was going to add the categories, but I think this is okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move this ad so that it's not at the very top. And the reason for that is you don't want the ad to just, be right up here. Or maybe you do, but when people come to the forum, they're trying to get help. So you want to keep that as simple as possible. All right, let's save this and close. All right, so now we're going to pull up all the items that are on this right side so we can move these accordingly. So you want to go to, make sure that all of these are saying select type or select position, that nothing is chosen on this side here. And then you want to make sure that you go to the select position and you scroll down to the sidebar right. This is going to pull up all the items that are on the sidebar right. And if you want to move it, you just click here in this section there. And this is going to enable for you to move things up and down. So right now we want to move the form, we want to move the ad so that the ad is maybe in between these or at the very bottom. So let's move this ad so that it's not at the very top. All right, let's move this here so it's right below the post topic. Okay, so let's refresh this now. All right, the leaderboard is up here, and let's come back here and move it over again. So you can just play with it until you have it how you want it to be arranged. Some people may want to have the leaderboard be the first thing people see, and then the topics, and then of course the form links here. Other people may want to to move it around. So I'll leave that up to you to decide how you want that to present it. But that's pretty much it. So we've been able to post this up here, and everything it looks pretty good.